Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems like this look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by analyzing derivatives to eliminate the wrong graphs. Let us start right now.
First, notice that the first derivative is positive on both sides of x equals 2. This means the function must be strictly increasing throughout the entire domain. You got this! Next, look at the second derivative. It is positive for x less than 2, meaning concave up, and negative for x greater than 2, meaning concave down. That indicates inflection. Finally, we look for a graph that is always increasing and switches from concave up to concave down at x equals 2. Graph B is the only one that fits. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid missing concavity by always checking signs and inflection points to find the correct graph.